Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing east facing house plan. There is G plus 1 floor plan and the plot size is 73 feet 6 inches by 30 feet and the total plot area is about 22,250 square feet and build up area is about 1,800 square feet and both the floors we have the same build up area of 1,800 square feet and this G plus 1 floor is highly efficient layout offers two identical and spacious 2 BHK units. The left side, the south, holds the heavy closed-off zones like bedroom, kitchen, and while the right side, north, features a massive open concept hall and perfectly balancing the structural weight according to Vastu. And let's get into the room by room Vastu detailing explanation. Into the plan, we have a car parking or portico space of size 15 feet 6 inches by 18 feet, and it is spacious enough for a large SUV and a two-wheeler parking. And coming to the staircase in located externally the southeast front and it allowing the first floor to be easily rented out without disturbing the ground floor privacy, so we can easily enter the first floor since we provide the external staircase. And into the main door we have our hall of size 12 feet 9 inches by 32 feet as per Vastu. This is northeast corner, that is Ishanya corner, and it should be open and light. And the massive 32 feet long hall occupies the north and northeast corner, and keeping this area open, well lit, and air free of heavy walls allows positive cosmic energy and well to flow freely into the home. And coming to the southeast corner, that is Agni corner, and it is known for fire element. And the kitchen cum dining is provided with a size of 11 feet by 17 feet and we have kept our stove in the east and the northeast of the room we have provided water sink. Northeast is exactly for the water zone and we kept the same in this kitchen plan, and we have provided dining space of 6 seater over here. And this open kitchen is perfectly positioned in the southeast corner, and this is the most auspicious placement for health and financial stability as per Vastu. And coming to the southwest, that is here, and it is known for Nairobi corner, that is fire, earth element. And here we kept a master bedroom, and the measurement is 17 feet by 17 feet. And in this bedroom, we kept our bed sleeping position in the south and the wardrobe in the west. As per Vastu, sleeping position should be kept in the south, and wardrobe in the west enhance the wealth and prosperity. And this Nairobi corner is primarily suited for the head of the family to sleep or rest, which increases the zone of strength, stability, and dominance. And hence, we provide this bedroom as master bedroom. And this master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 6 feet 9 inches by 17 feet, and it is luxuriously a large bathroom space in the northwest. And here we kept our commode pointed towards south. As per Vastu, it should be pointed towards south or north. And here we kept towards south. And then this master southwest suite offering ultimate privacy. And coming to the northwest, as I said, northwest we kept this large attached bathroom, and this is the ideal zone for waste disposal and drainage and ensuring negative energy exits the home smoothly. And coming to the kids' bedroom, it is measured a size of 11 feet by 11 feet, and it is located in the south. And the bed sleeping position in this bedroom also kept in the south, and the wardrobe in the west, and which is suitable for the which is highly suitable for the wealth and prosperity as per Vastu. And this kids' bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 11 feet by 5 feet. And in this attached toilet, we kept our commode pointed towards north. As I said earlier, as per Vastu, it should be kept towards pointed towards south and north. And here in this room, we kept towards north. And the master bedroom attached toilet, we kept towards south, as I mentioned earlier. And coming to the puja room, we have a puja room of size 11 feet by 8 feet, and it is a very generously sized prayer room, centrally located on the south wall with designated God idol space. You can see it here. And the core of the house is integrated into the vast living hall, ensuring the center of the property remains uncluttered and open for energy circulation. That is Brahmastan. We have kept this free from walls You can see the plan here. And coming to the first floor plan, it is the mirror of the this first floor mirror of the ground floor plan perfectly with the one major luxurious addition. We have a balcony over here instead of a car parking area. We have balcony here. Anyways, I have to mention the detailing here also. In the first floor, we have our main door over here. We have vast balcony of size 13 feet by 17 feet 6 inches. And into the main door, we have our hall of size 12 feet 9 inches by 32 feet. And we have provided sofa location over here. Opposite to that, we have a wide TV showcase area. And in the southeast corner, we have our kitchen as in the ground floor. The same size of measuring 11 feet by 17 feet. The same thing mirror in the first floor as in the ground floor. Water, the stove in the east and water sink in the northeast of the room. And the master bedroom also, it is located in the southwest, that is Nigeria corner, as in the ground floor. The size is 17 feet by 17 feet, and it is provided attached toilet of size 6 feet 9 inches by 17 feet. And next, the kids' bedroom is located in the south zone, and it is measured size of 11 feet by 11 feet with attached toilet of size 11 feet by 5 feet. And coming to the puja room of same size 11 feet by 8 feet, and God ideal cushion also we have provided here. We have provided slab over here, and that's all with the overall plan. You can get more plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world. Our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, and Designers apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you're interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 290 632 to join. Thank you.